45. Solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 49 equal to 0. To solve this example, we have to use the difference between two squares rule. Why? Because the term which has the variable x does not exist. So that's why we are using the difference between two squares rule. So in this case, we have x squared. This number or this term is already square. Now let us look at the 49. The 49 is basically 7 to the power of 2. So let us rewrite the question. It will be x squared minus 7 to the power 2, which equals to 0. Now we have a difference between two squares here, right? So in this case, I can simply factor it x minus 7, x plus 7, and this equals to 0. Now let us solve for x. X minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 7 equal 0. So for this part, I have to add 7 to both sides. These will cancel out. So x equal 7. For this part, x plus 7 equals 0. I have to minus 7 from both sides. So these will cancel out. So x equal minus 7. Let us now solve the same question but with a small trick. The new question will be minus x squared plus 49 equal 0. Try to solve this question, then check your answer. In order to solve this question, the only thing we have to do is to change the order of these terms. So we will start with 49, then we will put negative or minus x squared equals to 0. So basically we did not change anything in the question. 49, positive 49 is this, and negative x squared is this. So why we did this actually? Because according to the difference between two squares formula or rule, a squared minus b squared equal a minus b, a plus b, right? So according to this formula, we should have the negative sign in the middle, right? So that's why we change the position or the order of the terms. So now we can solve normally. Now 49 is basically 7 to the power of 2. So to factor it, so we'll have to write 7 minus x, 7 plus x, and this equal 0. Now we will solve for x. 7 minus x equals 0, or 7 plus x equal 0. Let us solve for x here. So I will minus 7 from both sides. So these will cancel out. So in this case, x equal 7. Now for this expression, which is 7 plus x equal to 0, I will have to minus 7 from both sides. These will cancel out. So in this case, x equal negative 7.